Okay, so continue natin yung 31-3 for the analysis of the sale of the equipment. So yung carrying value ng equipment after a year is 7,700,000 na carrying value niya on the date of evaluation less annual depreciation na 750. Ikinubit natin yan dun sa nakaraang slide. So 6,950,000. Binenta natin for 8 million, so merong gain on sale na 1,250,000. Now, pag nagbebenta ka ng equipment at revalued amount, yung natitirang revaluation surplus niya is ililipat mo na sa retained earnings lahat. So, we have to know magkano ba yung natitirang balance ng revaluation surplus after a year. So, nung tayo nag-revalue, meron tayong beginning balance of surplus na 2,200,000. And then from the previous slide, nag-realize tayo ng 220,000. So, ang remaining balance niya is 1,980,000 na ililipat natin sa retained earnings. So, ito na po yung ating journal entry for the sale. No? So, yung accumulated depreciation, no, kailangan natin kumpitin yung balance niya. So, nag-start siya na may 1 million, no, yung lumang equipment. Tapos, nung nag-revalue, dinagdagan natin ng 500. Tapos, nag-depreciate tayo ng 750. So, 2,250,000. So, ika-cancel out na yon. So, i-debit mo siya. Then, debit cash, yung natanggap na pera 8M. Credit equipment at 9,200,000, yung bago niyang cost after revaluation. And then, based on previous slide, may gain on sale na 1,050,000. And then, yung natitirang revaluation surplus, aalisin mo na the debit at ililipat sa retained earnings. So, that's it po for problem 31-3.